So when we talk about party in this Nigeria, if you want to go to most richest party, the invite comes from Lizzy. I'm telling you a top secret today, and I'm telling you for free. Go and ask. You want to go to most expensive party where rich people there. Now Lizzy Anjorin will give you that invite. Good party where you go meet good people. Now only Lizzy will bring out that invite. Iyabo Ojo will just pack all these beggars. When they go, they sleep around with men.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Lizzy Anjorin ti sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ó ní Iyabo Ojo ó ní níṣe ni wọ́n bá sùn lọ́tùn lósì o, ó ní wọ́n ṣàgbèrè kiri ni, ó ní òun pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ ò sí ní ṣàwáwù. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin tún sọ nìyí, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
But Lizzy Anjorin go give you invite of an event where you go meet people. But you must get something upstairs and you must get better work. Don't be say they go ask you what do you do for a living. You will say, actually, na me write letter to authority say make them exhume Mohbad.
Event here to see carnival.
Event here to see carnival. Say for this Nigeria, say you won't go party where invite like granted party where you go meet better people. Now Lizzy will give you the invite, but you will not know. You won't know, and I don't want anybody to know. Because my contact, I can share my contact with business people, not beggars like Iyabo Ojo, not all these 22K urgents, not all these blackmailers. I cannot introduce blackmailers to my friends or to my contacts. No, because success of my friends is my success. Their downfall is also my downfall. So I will never introduce my friends to any blackmailers, and I will never give contact of any of my friends to any blackmailers. And because of my friends, that is why I even just stay on my own. But for this Nigeria, you want to go to better party where you go get connections. Now Lizzy get the invitation. What Iyabo Ojo they do where you won't get invitation? Iyabo Ojo will go lobby from one lobby to another. Iyabo Ojo will carry purse of 15,000 naira go Davido party. She go Davido party, she see they bully Davido, they bully Chioma, they bully the children. So you think rich people, people that work for their money, you think they want to be identified with Iyabo Ojo? Iyabo Ojo that all her life is pitching her dead children with Chioma or her dead self to Lizzy Anjorin. No reasonable rich people wants to identify with Iyabo Ojo. I'm telling you for free. That is a secret today. Know that and know peace.